So SEC560 is it is a foundational pen testing class, right? One of the things that makes 560 amazing is it teaches workflow. So you get to sit in this class and you get to go through all of the stages of a test from beginning, right? How do I write a report? How do I scope it? All the way to a full-on end-to-end test, right? And one of the things I love about the course is it breaks down every topic into little bite-sized chunks. So you get to absorb the material and you get to think about it in its own little bubble. And then at the end of the course, you get to do it end-to-end, right? And so when you take some of these other courses that teaches you pen testing, some of them are fantastic, but what they may lack is background. Like, why is it that I'm doing the thing I'm doing? Or why is it that I'm running these tools? Or what is the context here? And 560 kind of boils it down to, this is the reason that you want to do it this way, right? Here's a methodology for how to approach a network pen test. And so that's made it a really, really amazing class because it's got such a great storyline behind it.